Hey guys, Mike is back with another video. Today we're going to take a look at the Alpine versus the KICKER, one of the best seller speakers in the market. A lot of guys bought the KICKER speaker after my videos. Tons of guys bought the Alpine speakers when I did the open air test. All these speakers, they say, this is not valid. You have to put it on the desk, right? So now we have on the table, we're going to test, we're going to play the multiple music, and we're going to see how these speakers will perform. Alpine is a half price. The KICKER is half price from the Alpine, right? So this is component speaker. The KICKER is coaxial speaker, right? So it's going to be like a big difference. Alpine is using a lot nicer, expensive silk dome tweeters. KICKER use the different, just the regular tweeters, but the KICKER's tweeters always were bright and clean, right? So we're going to see how does it catch up. And we're going to give it a tons of bass. We have ability to, rock and roll these speakers, and we're going to start playing. After this video, I'm going to record another one. This is a half price. So this is the price you guys paying right now. I put down links on description so you can check how much they cost. And this is half price from the KICKER. And I have another Amazon brand high-anchor speaker. I was the buying it just to test it, and I was surprised how's the sound quality, right? So this guy is half price from the KICKER, right? This high-anchor. So we're going to compare, and also I have a couple new speakers in the market from the Amazon, and we're going to see how those sounds quality, right? If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the like button. If you're using any of these speakers, comment below, and we're going to see how you guys like it actually in the real life and how's my videos make sense, right? So LED lights, one of my subscribers tell me the mic put it on, so whatever is the lights it's on, that speaker is playing. So let's play some music. Alright, from the lower notes, as you can hear it, right, KICKER plays louder at the same power output. Also, it was at the Alpine, it was playing louder when I did with the Pioneers, right, a lot smaller, less power speaker. Alpine was playing louder. Now the KICKER plays louder because of sensitivity, right, and the KICKER is a lot less power usage, and as you can see, as I say, the KICKER's tweeters a lot like tops is not detailed, but it's a little bit louder, like more clarity it's giving. Please use your headphones and you're gonna hear the difference. I'm recording very expensive recording devices. I listen 10 times, like 100 times before I set up all this stuff, right? So Alpine, as you can see, the bass it's a lot lower, and the lower bass it's a lot longer. So I'm gonna explain the simple was. Once the vibration, the bass it kicks, it's always there. So when you're sitting in the vehicle, it's going to be nice, smooth bass, like boom, boom. So you can hear it. Reason why they use a lot composite, some kind of materials, very low materials, and the rubbers on the edge and the spiders a lot smoother. So the speaker moves freely on the low the power output and the low bass. KICKER bass is like a mid bass speaker, a lot nice and punchy, but you're not going to get as deep bass like Alpine. And the tweeters, let's play a little bit louder and hear it. I want to cut the bass a little bit. You see the vibration, right? You see the vibration on the KICKER, right? It's a lot long vibration, but you don't hear that bass. And look on the Alpine, watch. if you didn't subscribe to my channel, definitely subscribe. It's gonna help me a lot to create, the more videos like that, more expensive the speakers. If you the weightings, and you can read the comments. A lot of guys was thank you. The mic, I got the nice stuff. You save me tons of money. I'm enjoying it, right? It's gonna be like that, and just hit the thumbs up button, right? It's gonna help YouTube algorithm, right? So now the Kicker is a really good speaker for the price. If you're thinking not gonna spend like twice the price like Alpine, definitely go ahead. You will enjoy it. If you guys using the Kicker, let us know in the comment below why you like it, why you didn't like it. I can say is like for the factory units, definitely go ahead and buy the Kickers. Don't worry about the Alpines, right? It's Alpine. It opens up really good. Even the factory, you can hear the music. What I say the previous video, you can hear the music really nice, like upgrade. But some the Bose system, like Harman Kardon's, they speakers are very sensitive. So when you install the Alpine, maybe the Alpine speaker will play a little bit lower. But the Kicker is gonna be catch up because sensitivity is there and a lot bright playing speaker. Alpine tweeters, as I say before, the Kicker is punching always in the highs, like very nice clean. But Alpine, you can hear the volume up and down, like a different instrument, different notes on the Alpine tweeters, so you can hear the different the level. So it's gonna be really quality sounding speaker. As I say, for the price, it's a little pricey though. The Alpine is a little pricey for now. They selling tons of speakers. I see on the by the links, all that stuff. But the Kicker also half price, and as you can see, the sound details, right? So let me play one more music for you guys. As you can see, Alpine, the bass handles is next level. I do Kicker. Yeah, that's it, it's done. Yeah, as you can see, the Kicker is dying on that same bass, but Alpine is easily producing like nice, clean, like smooth bass. So that's why I'm saying, like, if you want a lot of the details on the music and the bass and the mids and the clarity and the tweeters, all that stuff, Alpine way to go. If you want to just sweep again, the Kicker is really good speaker for the price. Hope they're not gonna put these speakers for $80, $90, like an upper hand. But for the around $70, this is really good speaker. And you're gonna be surprised how these cheap half speakers will compare with those ones, right? I'm out. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, right? See you on the next one.